Six Streets.
And this year truly, Andrew Hudson, organizer of King of Shores. Today, I must thank God it was another success. During the race meet, we have had a little rain on two occasions, but we managed to surpass that and continue on our path. I must thank all my supporters, all my competitors. If it was not you, we know it wouldn't be possible. So I must thank you for coming out and being at your best. There are still few things we still need to work on, but by the grace of God, we know that next year, with your suggestion and your advice, we'll make it bigger and better. Thank you all for coming out again, and looking forward to see you at King of Shores 29. God bless.